my voice, my brother. Listen to my voice. Okay. Another very cautious card. Power time. Wrist control, power time. Wrist control, power time. Nice, 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 beautiful. Work to the back. Work. Good job, Justin. Watch the guillotine. Nice. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. Beautiful. Wrist control, power time. Yep. Yes, beautiful. Nice. Up to the hip, back control, back. Nice stretching. Back control. Good job. Beautiful. Head trap. Let's get that head trap tight. Okay, I don't want to see established lower hook. I want to see a triangle or post grip. Beautiful. No lower hook. Nice. Perfect. Now, that's it. Keep that arm trap. Keep the arm trap. Yep, there you go, dude. Lock it up. Now, be very careful. Be very careful here. Lock it up. Grab his opposite leg. Nice. Get to his leg. Get to his leg. Grab his leg, Justin. Grab his leg. Gotta get his leg. Yes. Any leg. Get the leg. Yes, you gotta get one of his legs to make the strangulation happen. Let's go. Roll him over to his back. Keep rolling. Nice, Justin. Leg. Go to your knees to avoid points. Nice job, Justin. 2-on-1s. Beautiful, guys. Good work.
I know, dude. Where are the points for all this shit, man? We just have back control for 4 fucking minutes.
Hey, ref. Where's the back control point?
You don't get back control points if they have a body triangle. They need hook stick.
What?
Read the IBJJF.
Come on. That's the most ridiculous thing. Yeah, in IBJJF. That's what this is?
They changed it every time. We had one last time.
That's why this whole tournament's going down. That's why a lot of people don't get in there anymore, especially the biggest names. All right, Jeff, let's go. On the drum, perfect. Keep that leg now. Remember, be careful. It's the rules here now. Okay, let's do a power side. Come on. Keep the pressure, Jeff. Keep the pressure. Guys, get off the mat. Wrist control to power time, Justin. Come on. Jess, you got less than 2 minutes. What about all the control the hip? Yes. Now go north south. Yes. Where's the takedown points, ref? No takedown points, ref. Dude, is there no takedown points in IBJJF? Come on, ref. Where's the takedown points, ref? Fucking 10 minutes later, dude. Come on, bro. Ridiculous. Let's go. Come on.
Your guy's head needs to be freed. Before any points can be scored, your guy's head had to be freed. I can't keep hearing you after every single thing. I know how to do my job well.
Okay, let's see. Apparently not. Attack the arm, Jess. Let's go. Let's get a submission. We got a minute and a half. Up 5-0. Let's get a submission here. I want to see aggressively attacking that arm. Kimura grip. Let's switch to a side Kimura. I want to see a side Kimura grip, Jess. Side Kimura right on the arm. Right there. Back up that side some more. Nice. Keep your hips low, reach out. There you go. Perfect. Now, once it's locked up, it's switch to a dorsal. Switch to a dorsal. Yeah, you got it. Bend it. Get the arm bent. Yes. Now there you go. That's it. That's it. Just keep going, dude. Don't worry about it. Keep going, Jeff. Keep going. Just go.
Co cię sklepnął, nie?
Knee on belly, let's go. Go knee on belly, you score a couple more points, quick. Great job, guys. Great job. Tough battle, guys. Good stuff.